All right, hello everybody. My name is Leah Swain. I'm a point of sale guru and pro advisor for KHB Office. I have been working with KHB since 2013, and I've used point of sale for many, many years in my business, and I love it. I love the ins and outs of it. I've done everything that you could do wrong, and so I know how to fix it, and I know how to get it set up properly so that it'll work best for your business. We did have some clients. If you follow us on khbia.com, you will see the series about Nellie and Jonas. They are some fictional clients of ours, but the series right now is focusing on their idea to campaign for their business. And the best way to do that using point of sale and the information you gather there is to use Constant Contact. Constant Contact is actually a built-in sync in your point of sale. A lot of people are not aware that it is there, but it uses the information you already gather from your clients, and you can sync it over to the Constant Contact website so that you can begin your email campaign. A little bit about Constant Contact. It was actually started in 1995, and it has grown to over 600,000 users today because it's easy to use. It has excellent customer support. You will call a number and speak to a real live person, and they will help you with everything you need. They offer a 60-day trial, and that includes support to their team. They will help you with your marketing strategies, what works best for your business, things like customer surveys, Facebook promos, online listings. Obviously, email campaigns are the number one thing that you will be able to do with a point of sale. It does take that information over. And yeah, it's already built into point of sale, so that's pretty awesome. What we're going to look at today is how to sync over your Constant Contact from point of sale. And the thing you will need to do is to set up a free trial. So I suggest the 60-day free trial that they offer. There's no credit card required, anything like that. You will go to this website, http://www.constantcontact.com/signup.jsp?PN equals KHB Office LLC. Don't worry if you didn't catch that. You have my email address right here. Feel free to send me an email or give me a call, 980-242-2001. I'll be happy to send that link to you in an email as well. So let's get started here. So first thing you need to do is pull up your QuickBooks Point of Sale version 18. We're actually using multi-store level, but this will work on pro level also. It will not work on previous versions of Point of Sale. It used to be active in version 12. However, with the version 18 coming out, it did deactivate the link in version 12. So you will need to upgrade to version 18 if you have not already done so. If you need to, I can help you with that as well. Now, to begin, you want to go ahead and get your sign-in information through your free trial using that link that we discussed. You'll see it here. And then make note of your sign-in and your password, because you will need to enter that in this synchronization, okay? First, you go to Customers, Create an Email Campaign. It gives you information on how to do this and what you're going to be doing. It's about e-marketing, easy to set up your customers to inform them of store promotion, create messages, send thank yous, misuse, and even suggest complimentary merchandise. It's going to tell you what the steps in this are. You're going to choose what kind of email you want to send, point of sale customers, and then you will use that list to send out the email information. Here are the options to begin the filter. So what kind of email are you going to be sending? Are you sending an email saying thank you, so you want to see everybody who's bought in the last 30 days? Maybe you're going to be drumming back some business that hasn't been around lately. You're going to say no activity, find customers who haven't been around lately. Maybe you want to tell them you miss them and try to send them a coupon. Merchandise, anybody who is, you filter out the customers using their sales history. So anybody who's shopped in a certain department or possibly bought a certain item or certain color or size, you can search all of that as well. For this example, we're going to go ahead and say custom and get a little bit deeper into the filters that are available. The first filter screen that you see is your customer record filter. This is going to break out all of your customer information that you retain. I always tell my clients you want to make sure you retain as much information about your customer as they are willing to provide. You don't want to hassle them, but you definitely want to know who you're working with, who shops at your store. That gives you an idea of where you're going to market, how you're going to market to. You can run reports under your customer report field to see, what zip code is more often in your store than another zip code. That helps a lot with Facebook campaigns, things of that nature. So you can see you can filter all of your customer information here. It gives you anything that you could imagine regarding your customer. For this example, we're going to go ahead and just do the full name, which is Leah Swain, myself, and we're going to hit next. Now that will populate a list of customers. You don't see it, but it starts to filter. You can filter within that customer filter by using sales information. This is what we talked about as far as maybe they buy certain things from a vendor, a department, item name. Anything you record in your item list can be filtered here as well. And you can drum down that previous list of customers by sales history. For this example, we're not going to drum down anymore. There's only one of me in the system. Now, when you do this, you will have a longer list. Obviously, we did full name, so I just wanted to send one for myself. If you want to edit at this time, you can add or remove customers by selecting this box. So that would not drive that information over, but with the little green check mark, it says, okay, this is going to sync over. Once you've selected what customers you want to send, you hit next. And it asks you, would you like to automatically send this to Constant Contact, or would you like to export it to Excel? If you feel like you need to save a list of it before you bring it over, go ahead and export it to Excel, and then you can upload it from Excel to Constant Contact website later. Or we can automatically send it to Constant Contact, which is what we're going to do today. We're going to name this campaign Hello New Customers. And that is important that you retain what name. I would go ahead and give it a date as well, just so that you have, I'm still not used to 2019. We're already 9 days into January. Go ahead and give it a date as well. That just makes it easier to find in Constant Contact. And then you click Finish. Now, if you've not signed into Constant Contact from point of sale before, this is where you're going to key in. It will give you a separate box, and it will have you key in your sign-in for Constant Contact. So we'll take your username and password. Then you click Next, and it drives you to this screen. After you've already signed up for the first time, it'll automatically bypass the sign-in and take you here as it did for us on the example. Now it tells you to please wait. You will see a little green petal emblem, and the petals will flash. That's normal. It takes a few moments. And then it'll send you a confirmation saying your email campaign was successfully created. You can go ahead and close that out. Now let's pull up Constant Contact here, and we'll refresh. And we will see it has brought over all of our customer information and stored it under the campaign name that we provided, Hello New Customers. So if we go here, we see it's only the one name that I brought over, but yours would be a much longer list, hopefully. And it'll show all the information, and you can start your campaign there and then assign it, to what list you want it to be sent out to. As we said, you can export to Excel instead of bringing it over directly, in which case you would take that file, sign into your website with your login information, and then select Add Contacts, Upload from File, and select the Excel file that you've saved on your desktop, and that will pull those contacts over for you as well. So I hope that information was useful for you. Constant Contact, as I said, it's something we've used at KHB Office for many years, doing our newsletters and email campaigns, send out holiday greetings and discount offers. It's an excellent resource to have, and I highly suggest that you use it. That's why it's built into point of sale, because it's useful for retail clients. If you do have any further questions than anything that I missed when I did this demo, feel free to give me a call. Again, here is my contact information. You can call or email me anytime. It's lswain@khboffice.com. My phone number is 980-242-2001. I'll be glad to help you with Constant Contact or point of sale or whatever your QuickBooks needs are. If I can't get the answer, I'm sure someone on my team already knows it, and I can reach out to them as well. So I look forward to hearing from you soon, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.